Why do so many people dream of owning a home in Dubai? Because it's more attainable than you think. DAMAC Properties is offering luxurious villas and waterfront apartments starting at just AED 950,000. And here's the kicker. You could see potential returns of up to 8% on select properties. DAMAC, a trusted name in Middle East real estate since 2002, provides amazing perks like golden visa assistance, free luxury hotel stays, and complimentary property management services. Plus, they accept cryptocurrency. Dubai isn't just about luxury, it's about a stable, tax-friendly environment, world-class healthcare, and unbeatable connectivity. With over 47,000 homes delivered, DAMAC knows how to deliver on its promises. So, are you ready to start your new life in Dubai? Your dream home awaits, starting at just AED 950,000. Find your perfect home today, where luxury meets opportunity. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share.